Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Growth English channel. If this is your first time listening, we're so happy you found us. This channel is all about learning English in a calm, natural way. We focus on real-life situations, conversations that you might actually have, and slowly building your confidence. No rush, no pressure. Just real English for everyday life.
Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. Jenny, sometimes I feel like people get stressed about learning English because they think everything has to be perfect. But here, it's not about perfection. It's about understanding, reacting, and communicating. And that's exactly what we will do today.
Absolutely. And today's topic is something everyone experiences at some point, eating out at a restaurant. Whether it's a small cafe, a big restaurant, or even fast food, there are moments that can feel stressful in another language.
Yes, and not only ordering, but also dealing with situations that might go wrong, like wrong orders or misunderstandings. That happens to everyone, even native speakers.
Exactly. And by the end of this episode, you'll feel ready to handle every part of a restaurant experience, from walking in the door to leaving with a full stomach and a smile.
Let's imagine it together. You walk into a restaurant. It's bright and busy, maybe some music in the background. A host or hostess greets you. The first question is usually simple. How many people?
Right, and that's the moment where learners often panic. You know the answer, 2 people, 3 people, but suddenly your brain feels like it's frozen.
Exactly. And a simple answer like, 2 people please, is perfect. You don't need long sentences here. You can add, do you have a table near the window, if you want, but short is always safe.
And notice how natural pauses are okay. Take a moment to breathe and think. It's not a race. After being seated, the waiter often asks, "How are you today?" Many learners don't know how to respond.
Yes, and that's okay. You can answer simply with, good, thank you. And you? That's enough. You don't need a long story.
Exactly. Restaurants are social, but short answers are polite and normal.
And if the waiter asks about your order, you can just give clear, simple answers too. For example, I'll have the pasta, please. Or, can I get the chicken salad?
The menu can be intimidating. Some dishes have words you've never seen. Sometimes the description is fancy, like roasted fennel with balsamic reduction, and you think, what is fennel?
Yes, that's why asking questions is fine. You can say, excuse me, what is this? Or, do you recommend this dish?
Exactly. Waiters answer the same questions all the time. It's normal, polite, and helpful. At a restaurant, you usually see the menu divided into sections: starters, main courses, desserts, and drinks.
Let's start with starters, also called appetizers. These are small dishes served before the main meal.
Yes, like a bowl of soup, a salad, or some bread with butter. For example, you can say, "I'll have the tomato soup as a starter, please."
Or something like shrimp cocktail, spring rolls, or mozzarella sticks. You could ask, could I try the shrimp cocktail?
Exactly. And when ordering politely, you can say, "Excuse me, may I order the salad first?"
Now, the main course. This is usually the biggest part of your meal.
Yes, main courses can be meat, fish, or vegetarian dishes. You might say, "I'd like the grilled chicken with vegetables, please."
And don't forget side dishes. Fries, mashed potatoes, rice, or a small salad. For example, can I have mashed potatoes with my steak?
Or, could I have a side salad with my pasta? These phrases are very common in restaurants.
Also, sometimes dishes can be spicy. You can politely ask, is this dish spicy? Or could you make it less spicy?
Desserts are my favorite. Cakes, ice cream, pudding, or fresh fruit. You could say, I'll have the chocolate cake, please. Or, could I try a scoop of vanilla ice cream?
And if you want to share, you can say, can we have one dessert to share, please? Very practical.
Yes, and always ask about ingredients if you have allergies. Does this cake contain nuts? Safety first.
Now, drinks. Simple ones are water, still or sparkling, but also soda, juice, coffee, tea, wine, or cocktails.
You can say, I'd like a glass of orange juice, please. Or, can I have a cappuccino?
And if you want a refill, just ask, could I have another cup of coffee, please?
Hi, can I see the menu, please?
Sure. Here you go. Take your time.
Thank you. I have a question. What is this dish?
That's chicken with rice and vegetables. It's not spicy.
Sounds good. Does it come with salad?
Yes, it does.
Great. And can I get a glass of water, please?
Certainly. Still or sparkling?
Still water, please.
Perfect. I'll bring it right away.
Notice how calm and simple that interaction is. Clear communication works better than long or perfect sentences.
Excuse me, I think there is a mistake. I ordered salmon, but I received chicken.
Oh, I'm very sorry. I'll bring the salmon right away.
Thank you. And could you make sure the side salad comes with it?
Absolutely. Mistakes happen, but polite and clear communication solves it.
And if the dish is too spicy or not cooked the way you like, you can say, I'm sorry, could you cook it a little longer? Or could you make it less spicy, please?
Another important skill is describing food. For example, the chicken is very tender, or the sauce is a bit spicy.
Yes. Other useful words are crispy, crunchy, soft, sweet, sour, salty, creamy, juicy.
For example, the fries are crispy and golden, or the chocolate cake is very rich and creamy.
Talking about taste makes your conversation more natural and detailed. You can even recommend dishes. I love the grilled salmon. It's very juicy and flavorful.
We can also talk about the restaurant itself. Words like cozy, quiet, lively, crowded, elegant.
For example, this restaurant is very cozy. I like the lighting. Or, it's a bit crowded today, but the atmosphere is lively.
And if you like music, you can comment. The music is nice, not too loud.
Now, our question for you is,
What is your favorite dish to order at a restaurant and why? Or, if you ever had a problem with your order, what happened and how did you solve it?
thank you so much for joining us today. Eating out is fun, and it's a perfect chance to practice English in real life.
Yes, and remember, mistakes are okay. Speak clearly, stay polite, and enjoy your meal.
We'll see you next time on the Growth English channel.
Until then, eat well, practice English, and be confident.
Bye, everyone!